Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I filmed another Valentine's Day look for you guys. If you want to keep up with me, make sure that you're following me on my Instagram at Tantubad. More importantly, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep watching. So right now I'm just showing you guys the pigment that I'm using. It's Glam Squad by J. LaRue Cosmetics. And here I'm just priming my eyelids with P. Louise base in Rumor 2, and it's mixed up with some concealer that I had used on my face. So this is the Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the shade Credit in my crease. And this is the shade Ginger, and I'm going to use that above my crease where I place Credit, and I'm just blending those two colors together so we can have a gradient effect from light to dark. I'm reapplying my P. Louise base in order to add my lid color. And guys, this is not a cut crease, this is more of a blended eyeshadow look, but you can tell that I'm making sure to put my lid color above my crease so I can have more shadow space. But it's not really a cut crease. I'm using the J. LaRue pigment in the shade Glam Squad over top of the eyeshadow called Sponsored. After I apply my inner corner highlight, I'm pretty much just going to line my eyes with the Marc Jacob pencils and kind of tight line it a bit, and then throw on my lashes, and then you guys are going to just basically watch me finish the rest of my face. So, bye! All the products I use for the rest of my face, including my lip products, will be listed in the description box below. Thanks for sticking to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, you never know what someone else is going through. Be kind always. Bye.